And 11.6 is on how do you find the area of a regular polygon. So we're going to have some new vocabulary words: center of a polygon, radius of a polygon. I know you think that the center and the radius should be with the circle. And then we're going to have the apothem of a polygon and the central angle. Those are all the parts, all the vocabulary that you need to understand today. So a regular polygon is a polygon that has all sides the same length. And here we've chosen a regular pentagon as our example. The other parts, we have the center. The center is the point that would be the center of a circle that would circumscribe the regular polygon. The radius would be the radius of the circle that would circumscribe the regular polygon. And the green line, that is called the apothem. And the apothem is the distance from the center of the circle that would circumscribe the polygon to the side. The central angle is the angle that would be formed by drawing the two radii from the center to one side. And we're going to be really wanting to know what 1/2 of that central angle is going to be, because we're going to use that to find parts of the triangle. Perimeter, of course, is all the sides. All right. So you could find the area of any regular polygon by breaking that polygon into a bunch of triangles. This is where the formula A equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter comes from, because the perimeter is just the base and the apothem is the height. So this is where it comes from. It's 1/2 base times height. All right, 1/2 base times height. The perimeter is 8 sides. So it's going to give us the same thing whether we break it up into triangles or whether we use the formula 1/2 apothem times perimeter. We're going to get the same result. So this is the problem that you want to be able to do. What's the area of a regular hexagon with a side 9? That's all the information they have to give you. So we start with the formula. Area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So the perimeter, of course, is going to be 9 times 6 is 54. So 54 is going to go in for P. Now we have to solve for the apothem. To solve for the apothem, we're going to draw the two radii from the center of the circle, and the dotted line is our apothem. The central angle is going to be 360 divided by 6, or 60. So each part, half of the central angle is going to be 30. Now we can use the 30, 60, 90 in order to solve. So we know that this whole side, the top whole side, is 9. So each part is 9/2. And since the sides are in the ratio of 1 to 2 to radical 3, we know the radius is also going to be 9. And that's always going to be true. The radius of a regular hexagon is also going to be the same length as the side of a regular hexagon. And the apothem then is going to be radical 3 times the 1/2 of the base. So in this case, 9 radical 3 over 2 is our apothem. So we plug those into our formula, and we simplify, and our answer is going to be 243 radical 3 over 2. And this is the kind of answer that you're going to see quite often in a regular polygon problem.